Whoa, here we are in the middle of Banff High Street. We just thought we'd get a picture of the mountain in the background.
It's really cool.
It is a very cool little high street on a Saturday, very busy.
And we've just bought a little Canada flag to put in the windscreen of Walter, which is quite cool.
Go Canada! Yeah, so this is Banff High Street. Actually, this is downtown Banff, which is on a Saturday.
It's a Saturday, exactly.
Exactly what we thought it would be. You know, quite busy, lots of shops and restaurants and things to see. So we don't normally come into big cities like this. So is it a bit of a departure?
We're going to go down to a garden at the bottom and then over to a viewpoint. So we'll wander here and then go away from this lots of people.
Okay.
Nice to see.
Yeah, nice. I've just realised we haven't got the bear mace.
Did you rehearse this?
Yes. and we're on Bear Street.
Bear Street.
Well, I think I'm going to go. I'm going to go for the cinnamon bun. I would always go for the cinnamon bun.
Okay.
And you're going to go for a French toast, yeah? It's a rare occasion.
We don't do this very often. This is a treat. Look at this.
And this is courtesy of Sharon and Mike, who brought us a coffee, which is so very kind of them. They love travelling. They're over on the East Coast, and they've been following us ever since we landed in Baltimore. So thanks, Mike, and thanks, Sharon.
And they clicked on Buy Us a Coffee on our homepage on YouTube and gave us some a donation. And this is what we've got with it. This is such a treat. Thanks, Sharon and Mike.
Thank you so much. Let's enjoy. Little pedestrian area of Banff. Just a coffee down there and a cake. But look at the mountains in the background.
It's lovely.
How cool is that? This is the Nancy Pool Bridge.
Well done, Martin.
A little bit busy, but on a Saturday, what do you expect?
Oh no, it's okay.
Made in 2022. It's only 3 years old. This one. Look at the views over there.
Look at the water, Martin.
I know the water's so gorgeously green and turquoise. Imagine having that view in your town. Absolutely lovely. As you walk out of Banff, out of downtown, you can walk through a forest trail, which is called Art and Forest Trail, which is quite lovely, isn't it? Ooh, a free art.
It's called the Art and Nature Trail.
Oh, Art and Nature Trail. Let's get it right.
These are nice paintings.
Just makes the walk a bit more interesting, doesn't it?
It really does.
See the bears in the wood. Look at those.
Go down to the woods today.
You're sure to get a big surprise.
That's cool. I like that.
That is lovely, yeah. That's the sort of bears I like seeing with no bear mace. Question time.
What are you doing now?
What am I doing? But Eileen's just spotted this art bit here, and it's a star constellation.
No, what? To be honest, what did you think it was?
I thought it's where you leave your shopping trolleys, but I think it's called the Big Dipper, or some people call that the bear as well. Is a reference to a bear?
Did it? I don't know.
Good spot, Eileen. This is a pine cone. Look at that, it's made of metal, it's quite cool. Someone's put it together. Wow. Eileen quite likes this one.
Yeah.
It's called Because of You by Sheila Carnan. It's quite nicely done.
It's just along the path.
I think we walked down to the rapids. Is there like a lookout over the rapids? That's quite good. Bats, and I thought, oh, what's and then it says, oh, look up. And then when you look up, you see these lovely little bats. Glass bats.
Glass art, nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
Fiery glass studio, nice.
Hanging in the tree. A black bear. Yeah, that's quite cool.
It's a nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, nice. And these are the rapids on the Bow River. Noisy.
Noisy.
But I like that noise because you're out in nature.
I like it.
But these are called Bow Falls, and it just runs down from the main town out there and round there.
Can you feel the raindrop?
I can feel some rain. The spray from the falls. We're right at the bottom now, which is really good.
It's cool. And if we turn around without falling off, you can see the raft gets just taken off going down. Well, they're coming this way. I can't be right. There you go, don't worry.
There they are over there, yeah.
It's probably cowboy sandals. I like that.
Well, after a little walk around Banff and down the River Bow, walking back into Banff, and then we saw the Legion, didn't we? And there's a sign just there, and it says "Real Pints." Real Pints.
So,
and it's only $6 25, which is
I've
about
got water.
I know. Well, you got to do some driving, but how cool! Whoa!
Oh, he's there. Look.
Hey, water's still there. Pretty good. Hope he hasn't got a ticket.
Yeah, because we went in the line. So great place to park though. Just a few minutes from the from downtown. We're beside the train station. It's a little bit quieter, right?
Yeah.
You need some food now, do you?
I'm a little bit peckish.
Yeah. Get some food before we've got about an hour's drive back to where we're parking, right? Coming up, Martin.
Yeah, what's this?
This is a wildlife crossing on the Trans-Canadian Highway. These crosses are really famous. They put them in and everybody thought it was a joke so the animals could cross over the highway safely. But it's really, really worked.
Oh, look at that. They've got trees on top.
They've got trees on top and everything, and they monitor, obviously. They have cameras and they tag animals to see if they use them. But look at it. Wow, it's pretty cool.
That's good. Morning, campers.
Another day, another walk.
This is the Johnston Canyon walk.
So the upper falls.
Yeah.
And the car park fills up really quickly. We got here 8:15 to have some breakfast. And it was fairly empty by 9 o'clock. It's full. So the trail is quite busy. But we're going to take a little stroll to the upper falls.
Yeah, should be about a 5.5 mile round trip, so should be good. Stopped raining. It was raining this morning when we got up.
You're chucking it down now, it's okay.
So.
Waterfalls! Tried to get you, but you were too fast.
What do you mean? Oh yeah. There is the falls. We're 500 metres away from it.
Oh, is that it?
It didn't take long.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Well, maybe they're a bit higher. No, maybe that's the lower of the upper falls, but we'll see. Yeah. Alarm.
Go and park out for some brunch.
Yeah, get some brunch.
You're going to make some. We've got bacon and avocado and eggs.
I'm going to do a full English, but in Canada.
Oh, we've got beans.
We have got beans.
Yes. Wow. This makes you feel so small, right?
Oh, it so does. Incredible. All right.
Whoa. Just keep driving.
Nice. That was a good spot, wasn't it?
I love seeing that.
Wildlife on the side of the road. Fantastic.
Okay, we're going to find somewhere up here to stop for that brunch.
Well, I did promise you a little brunch, so okay, you're on. Well, that'll be a bit of a steep walk up there, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Look at the angle of that. Oh my goodness. You actually joined me on the Bow Highway, which is a very scenic road that we drive down towards Banff. But we came down here a couple of days ago and we missed this train going by, and it goes right along this river. You can see the track there over my shoulder, because this is called Morant's Curve, which is a nice viewpoint of the mountains, as you can see. Look. Whoa. That is not bad. But it really is quite spectacular when the trains come up the river there, and they give a big old toot and things. It looks quite impressive, so I'm hoping to see that. And if you think I'm turning into a train spotter, leave me a comment and tell me if I should get some help, but hopefully it'll look quite nice. So what's the plan for today, Stan?
Well, we were supposed to be going on a really nice hike to Lake Louise and the tea room up at the top, which is meant to be beautiful. But the weather's changed and it's raining all day today, supposedly. So...
make use of the time. I know what you're going to say.
It's going to be a maintenance day.
Which is the washing, isn't it?
What's do?
Oh, that's alarm bells. No, it's fine. We've got to get it done. We need clean clothes, so...
Yeah.
What are we having tonight? A bit of risotto?
Yeah, a little bit of a cheats mushroom risotto.
Yeah.
Jamie Oliver special.
Nice.
Trust Jamie. Well, we don't have any time, so I'm using Italian seasoning.
Okay.
But we're doing good. It's looking good.
Bit of garlic.
Garlic's going in. The mushrooms.
Bit of seasoning.
Bit of seasoning.
Here we go. Cheats mushroom risotto. Beautiful garlic mushrooms. I think the cheat is because we use the packet rice. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit of part baked bread as well. A little bit of part baked bread. Well done, lover. Thanks for that. Let's tuck in, shall we?
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got this far, you've done well.
But do you know what we really like? We do like getting comments. We get comments from quite a few of you, Leanne and Colin and Sharon. It's fantastic, and we always respond to those.
Great questions as well, right?
Yeah, they do actually. You're right. So give us a subscribe, give us a like, and maybe a comment. That'd be great. What's happening next? Where are we going next week?
Well, we've got the rest of Banff to do. So we're going. The plan is, when the weather's better, to go up to Lake Louise. Hopefully, we'll get a hike there. Up to Tea Room at the top of Lake Agnes at Lake Louise.
So make sure you join us then for more adventures on Water on Tour.
Oh, bye for now.
Bye.